like leeches play in your orchard and steal your peaches. I wish all these ticks would let my man be, 'cause all his love belongs to me. So now I'm tired of fattening frogs for snails. When the moon was in eclipse, I hid one in the dark, but he was gobbled up by some daddy-grabbing shark. I dressed him all up so he would look good. He cheated with all the chicks in my neighborhood. So now I'm tired of fattening frogs for snails. Now old Lucy Jane, so brazen and bold, laughed in my face and stole my jelly roll. Follows my man wherever he goes. Jived him too, she took him right from under my nose. So now I'm tired of fattening frogs for snails.